We have airdrops to go and claim. The movement airdrop is out. We also have the ORA on base. So with that said, make sure to stick until the end, leave a like, and we jump straight onto the laptop. The first thing is the claiming of the ORA airdrop. This is a base airdrop. All you gotta do is go to the link down below, click on verify, simply add the ORA after your Twitter name. It will ask you to go and get verified. It will connect with your Twitter profile, simple as that, to check that you have your name, and then whether or not you are eligible or not. As you see, my wallet is not eligible. If you are, let me know down in the comments below, and also let me know your allocation. This is quite a lot of this token has been airdropped to the user, so if you are a base user, you could definitely be potential to be eligible for it. So let me know your allocation. Following up, we go to the Hyperliquid. Make sure to join the community. It is the biggest airdrop in history as of right now. The link is down below. I've got opens and how to qualify for this airdrop. Well, there's different ways. Simply go and trade perpetuals, go and trade long or short, go and trade spot. The link will be down below. Make sure to join. As you see here, I got my hype long over for a 3x. So opening long position on also over here, adding to their vaults. Their vault is a stable coin vault. So if you do have stable coins laying around, they also have a nice 30% APY. As we see over here, we got over or quite $250 million locked in with a 37.2%, 38% APY. So this is really a good return. So if you got money, either vaults to keep it on stable coins, trading with longing and shorting as far as you know what you're doing. And then, of course, you will receive the points. The points will be updated on Friday. They will be distributed on Friday. So simply go and participate. And the most important thing, as we see here from my portfolio, I have a volume of 100,000. If you have participated, let me know your volume down below and how much you're doing, what is your profit and loss, how good you're doing with this airdrop. But a lot of my community, as we see over here, we have the possibility to go and see, for example, this legend over here made $500,000 in total volume. And the volume that you create, which it is very important, the volume is the #1 thing for the future airdrop. It is simply by either doing quick trades, for example, opening and closing. That's when you count the volume at the opening and the closing of every position to try and break even. There are, by the way, fees in terms of like every time you close a position, there could be a $2 fees, $1 fees, $3 fees. So try to keep it, with a little bit of a profit on every trade so that you try and break even. But as we see here, legend here has over $500,000. We got 200,000, 100,000, and it is very simple. As we see here with the fees paid, of course, if you are in profit, then it is well worth it. The link will be down below. It is one of the best airdrop coming also for 2025, this season 2. Another one is the Mitosis testnet. Now, this one, I will leave you the link down below. And once you go and sign up over here, for example, I am Silver 1. Once you go and sign up, come over to the referral. And if you wish to support me, utilize my code, which is this one, INE1SO. And I will leave a link down below so that you can go and do it as well for yourself. And this is a very simple testnet. So how do you participate within the Mitosis airdrop? Well, first of all, you come over here and you will have some cells. You will have to then transform it into cluster to then receive the item. Simply click over on craft. You need 2 cells and you can earn the cells by either operating on a daily basis, totaling XP. And also there is a game to go and get your XP, or you go and do, for example, the Galaxy quest, which we do have over here, which are these different one. Mitosis contribution base role verification #2. And as you see here, not many people are actually participating in it, and simply by having the Discord server. Another thing, once you get the cells, you go and collect them into cluster, then you craft them and you will get the items. And these are the items that you do get. As you see over here, you can then upgrade them. Very simple. As you go over here over on manage, you can upgrade them with other cluster to go and make them rarer. This rarer airdrop position will give you boost of XP. And you have different tires, as we see over here, the XP and the tires by staking, inventorying, assets, etc. It is all on a testnet. As you see here, I got, for example, Mito, 344 Mitosis testnet tokens. I got me Ethereum, I got me USDT. And the other very important thing is that you can do a faucet claim every 24 hours. This will give you the possibility to start off with the token, collect tokens over on Arbitrum, whatever you want, Base, Ethereum, Optimism, Mito. Every 24 hours, you will get this one. You can get a 10 and a 14 time faucet. As we see over here, the bonus faucet claims extra benefit daily with a 24-hour cooldown. For example, the asset over on the USDT 200, 94.4 Ethereum, etc. So you will get this on a day-to-day basis, come here, get the claiming, and once you claim, you can go to the EOL opt-in, which is basically a testnet liquidity pool. Once you got your rewards, simply come over here and distribute your rewards. For example, Ethereum, as we see over here, you can go and select which chain you have. You click on max and you are good to go. Then you got the referral dashboard, which you can claim your rewards. And here you got the active EOL position. Once again, this is all on a testnet. I do not have 56 million USDT. This is all on a testnet. It's all tokens that you get by simply, doing these things. And the other thing is to go and collect the XP point. How do you collect the XP point? Well, if you come over here to the top, you have the possibility to either faucet or opt-in. If you go and, for example, also the overview, you can go and play a little mini game. You can go over to the dApps, for example. You can go and integrate and, participate, do transaction on everything. For example, here, leading protocol of DeFi, socials, we got the perpetual DeFi, the native ATM, ordering blockchain, etc. So you can go and do different activities. Everything will be up here, whether it is the faucet, whether it is, as we see, the deposit, which you can go and deposit right here, whether it is the voting, the opt-in, the tracking the number. Here are still things that are going to come. Then we got the page and the XP entire over here, tire info. And then if you got friends, of course, make sure to utilize your referrals. And thank you once again if you do. You got the XP trend over here, and here also the acquisition of every XP thing that you can do, which you will go and collect. For example, we got the Mito game, which it is another very interesting thing. And what is the Mito game? Well, the Mito games gives you the possibility to go and play a simple game. Now, I cannot remember where it is, but I did find it yesterday. We can go over, no, the Explorer is another thing. Here we go. So here we go. If you click over on the top right and you get to the faucet, claim testnet tokens day by day. If you come over here, you will have this one. You can claim your faucet token and then go back over here and play the game. This game will give you 5 XP by simply interacting with the page. And all you gotta do is perform the Mito word over here with other people online. And by every time somebody clicks on it, you see here that the square get cover and color. Well, do not click outside the box, because if you do, you will lose all of your everything that you do. For example, this one, if you click outside, you see that it just gets disconnected. So make sure to do this, and this will give you a 5 XP every time you complete this quest, which it is super simple. It is a quick and easy game. Congratulations, you discover Mito, and this will give you 5 XP. The XP will then give you the allocation to go and be a better level up on the game, and it is as simple as that. And you can do this all day long. As you see, you can get 5 XP every time you complete it, which it is super simple. The less people, the better, because a lot of them just simply, you see here, they just go out and click on something that they don't even know where to click. So you do get a bit upset, but it is a team effort. Very simple. It is a team effort. Congratulations, I receive other 5 XP, which you can go and check it over on your page over here. If you go and reload the total XP, you will see then that they go from 5 to 15. Here we go. Keep on playing. You get the XP point. As simple as this. Following up, we have the ANS airdrop checker is also now live. Tier 1 500 linear scale of 50% investing with the tier 2 as well. 2K wallet, and here it is from the alpha, the app Celeber Airstream. I will leave you the link down below. I'm not participating in this one, so no idea whether or not I am eligible for it. But if you did, make sure to go and claim. If you know about it, make sure to go and claim. We got the tokenomics over here, 20% to the foundation, 20% to the investors, 5% to the core, 7% to Launchpad, only 5% to the team, giving a 42% to the ecosystem. Good or bad, let me know your thoughts down below. And then we also have the movement network airdrop to go and claim. How do you claim? You simply go to the link down below. You connect your EVM wallet. You can either connect your AKX wallet or any other wallet. For example, we go and connect our MetaMask wallet. I did not participate in this one, and as you see here, I will not be eligible for it, as normal as it is. Not eligible for it, but if you are, let me know in the comments below. I'll see a lot of people here eligible for it. The price, it's going to be around 60 cent a token as far as we're looking at right now. It seems like it is a 60 cent a token price. So for example, this guy over here, couple of $1,000, no problem, and then potentially the price will also be moving up. But if you did participate in the testnet, you have received it. If not, you didn't receive it. And another one that you can go and check is the StarkNet wallet over here, the Blastoff wallet. Simply go and connect to the Starkey wallet, which you will be able to download directly through the link down below that I will give you. Simply go and check your allocation, and if you are eligible for it, you will be coming here, back to Blastoff, got 0 Supra. If you have the possibility, congratulations. If not, once again, I am not even eligible for this one. As we see here, there are different things, plus 1,000 of onboarding successful, so for example, you sign up over here. This token is like a 5 cent, $8 airdrop, as far as I know. And there we go. So make sure to go and check it out. All the links will be down below. But with that said, I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.